Well, hey guys, Keith of Alaskan Motorhome. Tonight at our house, we're going to cook some steaks out on the grill. And for the first time ever, we're going to try to cook some ears of corn. So my neighbor called me and he said, hey, my buddy's got a grill he's going to take to the dump. Would you want it? And I said, yeah, I'll take a look at it. And then when I looked at it, I was like, yeah, I'll take that. So we're going to cook some steaks tonight for the first time on this thing. We cleaned it up the best we could. Looks pretty good. So let's get this thing fired up and then we'll go season the steaks. Now we've got to remember to turn that gas on. There we go. Got to do it a few times to get that gas to go through the line. There we go. Plus it even has a little side burner. Alright. So we'll let that heat up and we'll go season the steaks. So let's see what kind of steaks we got. We have a ribeye, culinary cuts, prime beef, private selection, and then we have 3 New York strips. Nice. Alright, so what we're going to do is just salt and pepper these. Alright, well these are going to be good. This one's been aged for 14 days. It looks good. So basically we're just going to put some salt on these. I don't have any sea salt, or that's what I would use. So we'll just use what we got. I've seen all different kinds of ways to do this. Some people put olive oil on, then they put salt and pepper. Some people just put salt and then they put the pepper on later. But the thing that seems like everybody does is everybody uses butter. And that's something I haven't tried. So flip all these over and do the other side. Alright, so now that we have both sides salted and peppered, let's get our butter ready so we can dip the steaks in the butter and then slap them on the grill. Alright, so we're also going to cut up some onions to put on the grill, zucchinis. Have you ever had these grilling beans? Southern Tip Barbecue. These ought to be good. Got my butter sauce all ready to dip the steaks in. Let's put these steaks on the grill. Oh, we've also got some ears of corns with the husk on. And we're going to do those on the grill too. Got them soaking in water. And we're also putting some cut up zucchini in tin foil and butter in the grill. This side turned down low. Ooh, that's sizzle.
Yeah.
The water's supposed to keep them from drying up and burning.
Oh.
grill marks on it. My sister-in-law posted on Facebook that she would never eat corn, boiled corn again, because she had it like this, so we wanted to try it. There we go. Steaks are ready to eat. I'm gonna give the corn and the zucchini a minute longer. Also, my corn's looking like it's about done. Definitely the zucchini's cooking away. Yeah, not bad for a free grill. And I even got a full bottle of propane. Can't beat that deal. Alright, so there we go. Good looking steak dinner with our first ever grilled ear of corn. Bon appetit.